How to get started with programming? Honestly, just download VS Code, go to YouTube and search for Python for beginners. There are a ton of good tutorials out there and Python will be the perfect start for you. Isn't programming just boring zeros and ones? No, far from it. Programming is a creative process which can be very fun if you do it for the right reasons. Is using Stack Overflow considered a bad thing? Yes and no. The only negative thing about using Stack Overflow is if you just copy things blindly without understanding what you're actually doing. Do you have to memorize all of the code? No. In the beginning, don't worry if you don't understand or remember all of the syntax. This is something that will come naturally as you do this over many years. Is HTML a real programming language? No, it's a markup language, but no one really cares if you call it programming. Can anyone become a programmer? Yes. But if you do it for the wrong reasons, it will probably be very boring and will not end up being a good developer.